Hello everyone and welcome to another video with me. In this video there is a little difference between previous ones. You are learning English while you are practicing handwriting with me. So please make sure to have a pen and a piece of paper to practice handwriting with me. Before we start the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video. So let's get started. So this is A. And this one is N, and this one is T. So if you want to make a word, it says and letter B, B plus A plus double L, it makes O. The next letter is C plus A plus T. So we put them together and it makes cat. We have D. So D O plus G, and put them together, it makes dog. And the next one is E L. This one is a little bit long. E F. So maybe this is your question. Which part of this letter or this word is F? P and H, here is F. A N and T. This is too long, yes, isn't it? So if you want to put them together, we should make elephant. Elephant. So our next alphabet is F, and what can we make with F? We can make fish also. S and H. So put them together. Fish. Our next alphabet is G. I R L. Could you guess the word? That's it. Correct. This is girl. The next one is H. H can be like hand, for example, or like handwriting. N and D, hand. So let's do it. I can be somehow a little long too, but S E C and T. That was the only word that it came to my mind. Insect. That was a mistake. I just wanted to write S. That is like C. Oh, no problem. I will write it down here. Insect. This is E. This is not C. Insect. Great job, everybody. And I think it is enough for today. Thank you for watching this video, and please leave me the comments below. Bye till hi.